Assalamu alaikum students of grade 5. It is our first lecture of science. So firstly we will discuss what is science. Science is basically the study of nature and the behavior of natural things through doing different experiments and research work. In initial days, the human did not know that the earth orbit the sun. The human just think the earth is stationary and not revolving. But with the passage of time, the scientists do experiment and spend centuries to find out the answer, that how the earth orbits around the sun and why the earth orbit around the sun, how we get different seasons. So this is not only the single experiment and the single invention of science. There are many other things which have been done. There are many other miracles which has been done by the science and the experiment. So the other example to explain how important is the science is, human did not always know why things fell back to the earth. People have no idea about the gravitational force, but the different experiments conduct, scientists do research, so finally they get one force which is known as gravity. Gravity, as we know, is such a force which try to pull everything towards the center of earth. Similarly, after doing experiment, the scientists come to know that why things fell back to the earth, because there is a force of gravity into the center of earth which attract different things toward the center of earth. In science, the scientists get highest award for their working, which is known as Nobel Prize, in the different fields of science, which is physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, and many other fields. So the scientists get Nobel Prize for their brilliant working. So who win the first Nobel Prize in physics by a Pakistani scientist? So it is Dr. Abdus Salam, who won first Nobel Prize for physics in 1979.